guys, I hope you are doing great and welcome back to Moonlit Decode. Okay, this is a collective new moon energy reading, okay, which is occurring on I think 23rd, okay, of August. So yeah, for everyone guided here. So yeah, the new moon always brings with its portal of fresh beginnings, alignment, and powerful manifestation energies. So it's a time where the slate feels clear and the universe, invites you to plan new sets for your future. So in this reading, we will tap into the energies surrounding you right now, okay, like in the new moons and what's shifting, what's aligning, and most importantly, what's manifesting for you under this new moon cycle. So remember, this is a timeless collective reading. So if you have found your way here, trust that these messages are meant for you because it was meant for you and it is not just for the new moon section. So yeah, so let's dive in and decode the guidance spirit wants you to receive, okay. So let's start. What are your current energies whenever you're watching this reading, okay, because I don't know why I have been called to do that, but let's start, okay. What divine energies, please let me know what are my viewers collectives energies right now, okay. Okay, I won't be taking the bottom of the deck for the current energies, but yeah. Hmm. Rebirth, stress, and maturity. Okay, so let me connect with this. Okay, guys, I hope you can see. Okay, so it's like, I really feel that you are maybe saying 10 or 777. So that is very significant. May your birthday is like, 10, 19, or 28, or 7, 16, or 25 for some of you. So yeah, take as it resonates, okay guys. I also feel that you're Leo, Libra, um Sagittarius, Aries, okay, because I'm getting that. um Also Scorpio and Pisces. So yeah, take as it resonates. Your energies are right now in this state. So you want, like, your energies right now, your current feelings are like, there is a lot of stress. You're not understanding what is exactly going on in your life, okay. You're understanding uh, everything what is happening in your life, okay, and you want a rebirth for yourself. You're understanding, gaining a huge higher level of perspective, I feel like, because you're becoming more mature than the usual, where you were just busy chasing. Right now you are just busy in loving with yourself. You are focusing and calling back your all the energies, and you just know that you have to be very playful according to, because the amount of energy I am investing in a lot of things, it is kind of a very desperate and chasing kind of a mode that is happening, and you are understanding that you are not letting go and surrendering, and you are not in a calm state and a balanced state, and that is why every stress is coming towards you. So right now you are actually gaining that perspective, and you are at this energy that you are not taking stress, okay. You are literally working on your stress levels. You are working on your anxiety depression mode, and you are kind of starting, you are actually gaining a momentum to start and new and fresh, okay. And that is what your energies are also in this new moon. So in this from this new moon, okay, before this new moon comes entirely in your life, you have already started, okay. When I'm uploading this, you have already in energy of accumulating the new beginnings and new start and everything. You are understanding that you really need to, you are feeling like, I really need, I don't want this. You're cutting off people, you're cutting off the cords, you're not being usual self of yours, okay. You are understanding why everything worked out like that, okay. So yes, divine angels are letting me know that your current energies are, that's it, I'm done. I don't want the stress. I don't want to chase. I don't want to do anything right now. I just want to focus on myself and love myself and be that new beginning because it's inside me. Okay, I have to take that one step in order to move forward and change my life entirely. So that is something your current energies are. And yes, if you have black, white, yellow, orange, okay, green, dark green, peacock green, peacock blue, okay, navy blue, purple. So yeah, this reading is for you guys. Okay, so yeah, let's see. Okay, I have to I have to fix the lock first for the screen. Okay, so tell me, divine energies, what will be divine collectives? Okay, so I am going to take the tarot cards for it. What you are manifesting? What you are manifesting on this new moon? On this from this new moon, what till the full moon? What you are manifesting? I'm clearly listening and seeing this new beginnings. You're manifesting a new beginning, a total new beginning in every section of your life. Yes, see, you will be seeing it. Okay, you will be seeing it, and you are actually manifesting this new beginning. Wheel of Fortune. I'm telling you, I'm not kidding. What I saw, it's like whatever I see, it's coming. Very true. You for some of you, okay, I really feel that you don't even know that you're manifesting this kind of things. Okay, you are not understanding what is exactly going on in your life. For some of you, I don't know, but this is kind of a more vision kind of reading. Okay, because I'm getting a lot of vision. You're already on the path of discovery, okay, of self discovery, and you're understanding each and everything, and you're most engaged with your own self, putting yourself first, okay, in this new moon, and you're starting new, and you're very clear right now in this stage that number 12, number 470011 is also important for you, so go and google it. For some of you, number 1 is also there. Okay, yeah, what I'm getting is like that. Number 23, number 24, number 25, number 26, number 27, yeah, number 8 as well. Triple eight is also there is huge deeper sense. Triple eight energies are there. For some of you, I'm seeing you should do Lotus Sutra mantra chanting. Okay, that will help you in a lot deeper sense. Okay, for some of you, Ho'oponopono prayer is also, maybe you're doing it or something, or you have to do it. Okay, so just tell me, should they do, my collective, should they do? Okay, divine angels want me to shuffle like this, so I am going to shuffle like this. And yeah, I mean, this is something I don't. Yes. You have to do Ho'oponopono prayer as well, or maybe you're already doing it, and that's a great sign that it is working. Divine angels want you to know that. Okay, so I really feel, guys, that you are starting very fresh, you're starting very new, you're less bothered about the 3D world right now, and you're more bothered, like you're not bothered, but you're loving the spiritual journey of yours, you're loving yourself, your own self. Okay, um okay, yeah. Yes, see, I told you, the moment you are loving, divine angels are telling me, I'm listening this, okay, that the moment you are loving yourself, and the look, the bottom of the deck is 3 of cups. So Divine angels are saying that the moment you are loving your own self and celebrating your own achievements and your own presence, the moment you are doing that, you are actually your manifestations are coming into the fruition and you're enjoying it. And yes, you are starting very new beginning, because after the new beginnings actually is making you, it is from 1 to 10, it is from new moon to the full moon, and you are coming like very sorted and abundant. And divine angels are telling you that this was the lesson for you, okay, for a lot of you. Let me just keep this here a little bit, so yeah, so we can get the whole picture out here. Okay, I'm so sorry. um, so it's like, divine angels were telling that this was a lesson for you to come inside your own self, to pull back your all energies and invest it on yourself, because it's time for you to get into the spiritual stuff, to know yourself more, to heighten yourself. And the moment you started enjoying your own company, it is everything is coming, and it is going to get start very soon. New opportunities are coming very soon for you, and it is going to make you feel abundant. And yes, there is a divine judgment passed already for this. And this, guys, this literally, I'm telling you, this is going to happen no matter what. Okay. For some of you, you were waiting for a job offer. You will be suddenly getting a job offer. For some, very rare, I'm getting, I don't know who is this. You will be directly getting a job offer from a past company you have already interviewed like decades before. And yes, I don't know, but that will be very shocking for you. See, again the judgment and three of cups fell down, and I'm telling you, you will be soon, some good news are coming towards you in this new moon. And for some of you, maybe it is full moon. Okay, so take as it resonates, but this is the span that I'm getting. From new moon, you will be seeing a lot of good news come rushing towards you, and you will be celebrating it. And yes, that is how divine judgment is passed by for you. Okay, because I really feel a lot of you were stuck. Okay, a lot of you were stuck, and you were not getting anywhere, you were not moving. But you were very much like, you were literally not moving. It is not also even a slowing energy, but it was a very very slow energy. Like it made you feel like, very very much stuck kind of a energy. It literally made you very much stuck, but it will right now, every stuck energy has been removed. Okay, and everything is getting clear, and it is coming so fast forwarded towards you that really, the struggles that you did, the how much of a kind of you made so much work into it, it is coming into the fruition for you guys. Okay, as well as divine is telling me something. Okay, just give me some time to get into that stuff. That is something very important. It's like, you know the knight of swords is kind of giving me the energy that, everything, this foggy situation that you were in, okay, very stuck energy you were in, you were fighting, and you're fighting for the actual growth in your life. So it is actually getting removed. Okay, you're becoming very independent, I really feel. Okay, and you are becoming confident. Okay, I think you're working on your throat chakra, the communication sector section. I really feel that a lot of communication was blocked. Okay, because you were in that energy, you were in this karmic lesson loop. Okay, that you really have ended it very well, because you have learned the lessons that chasing outside is not going to happen, do any kind of stuff, real stuff. The real stuff is actually working on yourself, loving yourself, and being connected with your self. Okay, with your inner child, with your higher self. And to be honest, if you don't know, okay, the real fact, okay, is your inner child. Okay, your inner child is actually your highest self. is actually your highest self, and that is why in gods also listen to the small kids, because they are very pure and their energy is very very infinite, and so like easily manifestation has been done with from them. So yeah, something is coming rushing towards you, some kind of a very clear communication, okay, that you will be getting. As I told you, there can be a offer letter as well, your dream can come true, and it is very fast and aggressive card, okay. So I really feel that it is coming very aggressively and fiercely and entering into your life, because yes, it was literally waited. Like, just imagine that your all the dreams and opportunities were waited for you to tap into your own horizons, to inside your own horizons, and the moment you did it, okay, everything that was stuck or waited for them to reach you, it is coming towards you. It is literally coming towards you, and you are getting a lot more confident in your communication as well. As well as there was any conflict or aggression or some kind of, it is the energy is getting moved off, okay. That is I can feel. And in the midst of very foggy kind of rainy kind, rainy foggy dark kind of weather, there is sunlight in your life that is raising a hope, and it is allowing the opportunities to come in front of you and hug you. But yes, divine angels also want you to know that सोच समझ के, you have to be very in, like, think properly and in proper way and manner. You have to move forward and take decisions. So yeah, that is something I'm getting as well. Also, I'm feeling like, from this three of cups, I'm getting that what I'm getting is you are going to, as I said, these opportunities are coming towards you. So you may be celebrating it, and you have to celebrate your each and every moment of your life. Divine angels are saying that is some kind of manifestation that is coming in front of you, but it is actually making you celebrate your life. This the life that you always wanted is coming in front of you. Divine angels are saying, okay. And yes, I mean, this three of cups is also talking about the Jupiter. You as I told you, it is kind of the Jupiter is also supporting you, your Jupiter. So yeah, your just check out where your Jupiter is and your how in which house it is, so you will get where it is. As well as for some of you, maybe you will get into like a party celebration, or some kind of a good vibes kind of a thing. I don't feel like there is a third party or something like in the relationship. So I means it will not be like into getting negative stuff, but this is a kind of a very positive thing, scenarios here that are happening. If you were in a relationship and there was any third party or third situation or something, it is going to get off, okay. It will be cleared out from the divine angels, because yes, it is meant to be like that, and you don't know the whole story. Divine angels are saying, so just communicate. Or maybe this communication, this is all of a sudden communication of a third party or of your own person that is coming towards you, and you will be getting that whatever you were thinking is not actually the thing that was happening in the background. There was something else. So you will be celebrating very soon. You will be celebrating that job offer, or proposal or something with your friends, you with your family members, or any get together, okay. I also feel that there are bright beginnings and good outcomes that are coming into the fruitations, okay. There can be a wedding or engagement, or favorable outcomes that are coming as well. So if you can see, there is this pumpkin, so it is kind of giving me a fruitful relationship that is entering in your life, okay. And it's kind of also talking about maybe you can get pregnant as well, or you will be getting a good news, okay. So yeah, that is something I'm getting. And uh, from the judgment card, whatever you asked for is been listened from by the universe. Okay, whatever you went through, divine energies, your spirit guides were working in the background and you were praying, they were literally listening, and now they will be they will be making a judgment and you will be feeling amazing. Okay guys, because yes, you will be feeling that finally I divine edges listen to me, finally I got that judgment. Okay, finally I got that um good karma of mine. You will be literally feeling like that a divine jesus telling me, because that is something which was been asked, okay, from you, and you did what has been asked. And yes, whatever the struggles you did, okay, it is actually putting you into a justice mode, in a balance mode, and yes, it is coming into the fruitations, the karma that you have ripped, it is coming into the fruitation. Okay, the seven of wands was your it is a kind of very frustration or struggle kind of a energy. Okay, maybe obstacles or fear situation, no result card this is, and you were not getting anything, so about like whatever you did and everything. So divine just are showing you and telling you that whatever you were not noticing, okay, you were just putting your all efforts, okay, and you were not happy. Divine angels were looking at you, they were paying attention on you, that how much struggle you have gone through and how much you have worked for, and yes, how much you have cried for it. But now it is your justice time, everything is coming into the fruition. Whatever struggle you went through, it is not going to go in vain, it is actually going to pay off. Okay, and yes, you will be really in an amazing kind of a mood, divine just are saying. Okay, so let's see what more is coming for you guys in this new moon. A very passionate encounter is also coming for you, but I don't know, maybe you will be getting confused for because of it. So do not get confused, be very clear with yourself. Do the communications, have that courage to face it, whatever it is. Okay, do not ever think, let me just put these cards aside. Yes, what more is coming in new moon? What my collectives are manifesting in this new moon? But I'm 101%, you are celebrating guys, you have already manifested in your 5D world this thing, trust me. Yes, see, you already know that you have manifested this thing, this very thing you have already manifested, and divine angels are saying that go with the flow, because you are very intuitive right now. Divine angels are saying, and you have literally, you are actually going with the flow. Divine angels are telling me, because that is something I'm getting here, and it's like very much, it's like, it is the zero, you are getting neutral, you are coming back to your own energies, and maybe your zodiac signs as Aries. Okay, for some of you. I'm so sorry, guys. I'm not well actually. So yeah, it is very positive cards. It's like, you're getting into a love, faith kind of a trust and optimism kind of a energy. So yeah, I really feel that your struggle, whatever the hard work you did, it is going to pay off, and you already know that you have done your own work, and you will get this fruits very soon. And yes, it is actually very soon. Also, you are very honest, and every the energy that you are whipping off, okay, holding on into yourself is actually coming back to you, the honesty, the faith. Okay, you know that you are very well aware that there are uncertainty and emotions deep down, but it is not actually making you feel affected. You are not affected by those, you are not letting them to have a hold on you. So that is something that is changing in you. You're just less bothered, and you are just focusing on yourself, because deep down in your intuitions, in your guts, you already know that you have achieved the another level, another thing. And yes, That is something that I'm getting, that you are experiencing the present moment and pure bliss of life, and you're being very confident and you're exploring more of yourself. Okay, so yeah, this is a very amazing card I'm getting. It is like a total energy shift that is happening in your life. Let's see what more is there. Yes. So two of swords, I really feel that you guys were very indecisive. Okay. So it's like, you were very much in emotions and everything. You were very pathetic. Okay. I really feel that you went through a lot of turmoil within yourself. But now the turmoil is actually getting off, and it is coming to the like, least kind of a stuff that is happening in your life is you're coming out of this thing. And that was very important. Okay, and I really because this is kind of very neutral, as I said, the zero and this two of swords, it is kind of giving me the same energy that you're getting into a neutral kind of a mode. Like, whatever happens will happen. We will see it there itself. Why to overthink and everything? So you are stopping your overthinking patterns, you're stopping all that addictive patterns of yourself, and you're coming into a zero, very neutral kind of a mode. And I really feel that you are also getting, you're rethinking, you're reconsidering, it is this kind of two of swords is also reminding you some kind of events and patterns of yourself, as I said. And it is also reminding you that you are getting confused and blindfolded for some of the things. So it is kind of showing you the actual fact about your own self, that you were not seeing all these things that were actually in front of you, and it was happening in front of you. It was just that you were not, taking actions on something that was been given. You were in fact denying all these things that were happening to you, that was shown to you from the divine energies. But now you are coming out of it, and you're moving forward. You're not just sitting, you're moving forward and taking a leap of faith, and you're saying yourself that it's okay, divine angels are with me, whatever it happens, it will happen. I won't be overthinking. I will just enjoy my life. I will just focus on my mental health and body and everything. But yes, the moment you decide that, it is coming into the amazing fruitations divine angels are showing me. Okay, this is something that is coming. And yes, whatever I told you, no, that there is something, okay, some things that you really wanted in your life. Okay, maybe you wanted a job, maybe you wanted a relationship, like you were having that background in the mind, that in your consciousness, that I want certain kind of thing, I want to go to adventure. But now you're not seeing that, but it is actually coming into the fruition, and you will be living your life very soon. Divine angels are saying the opportunities that you were waiting for is actually coming towards you. Yes, I won't be taking that because it fell off. So yeah, that was like ace of wands. Yes, I'm saying that definitely it is coming into the fruitations. Divine angels are saying, okay, very passionate energy is actually coming in your life. Divine angels are showing me, but it is up to you that you have to take it or not. You have to pay attention a little bit, not more, like, you have to be very attentive about it. Divine angels are showing, because that the new beginnings are for sure. There is a new birth inside you, and that is what is attracting this new manifestations and new ideas and new life in your life. The good luck, the security, the talent is growing in your side, and the growth and passion is also coming into the surface. And yes, you are actually getting all the kind of good news that you were waiting for. Okay, I also feel that a lot of foggy situations and doubts are coming like to the end, and you are finally seeing very clear. Also, for some of you, if you were waiting for some kind of a help, okay, from the divine, it is this kind of a help that is coming into the fruitations. Your struggles are coming down. Your finally there is a emotional movement that is happening, and that emotional movement is happening very stably. For some of you, okay, your health is getting proper. Divine angels are saying you are feeling like a very sunny clear sky in your life, and you're feeling better and good in your health as well. Yes, your whole your whole life is actually coming into one kind of end, and you are completing a cycle that was meant to be. And you know this wheel of fortune is also saying that there is a huge sunlight, the sun is getting active, you are getting independent, okay, and everything is coming into the fruition, and a new beginning is actually on the horizon. And yes, I am very sure, guys, because the alignment of the cards is literally so amazing that I cannot tell you. The good luck, the happy energy, positive change in your life that you were waiting for, good things, completion of a cycle, wisdom, the good time, destiny, achievements, good outcomes from the struggling mode of yours. Okay, okay, this kind of struggling mode that you are doing is actually coming into the end, and it has already come to an end, and it is time for you to start a new beginning with all that opportunities and gains, okay, with that winning kind of a tendency. Yes, your luck is turning amazing, good fortune is coming towards you, repeated cycle is have actually ended in your life, divine angels are saying. And this is literally amazing, okay, because your destiny in short is changing. Your fated shift is ahead of you. Your next big turn of fortune is right here, divine angels are telling me. And yes, it is kind of so amazing. As well as I really feel the wheel of fortune appearing in a new moon for you guys is incredibly powerful. Trust me. It means that the universe is aligning you with divine timing, fated changes, and karmic resets. So just like the new moon represents like new beginnings, this card also shows that life is about to spin in a very new direction, very new, very new direction that you would have not even realized and imagined before. So one that you might not fully control, but is destined for your highest growth as well. So yeah, it's like maybe you are your old patterns are being cleared out, okay, cycles are closing and new doors are opening, as I mentioned. So this new moon also wants you to trust endings as blessings, okay. There will be fated encounters, expect asynchronicities, change, chance meetings or opportunities that feel too perfect to be coincident, but yeah, it will be happening for you, and you will be definitely into that. Also, I really feel that if you guys are manifesting something, so there will be a acceleration in it. What you have been wishing for could suddenly turn, but maybe not in the way you imagined. The universe is shifting the wheel to surprise you, and it will be surprising you with amazing outcome that you have never imagined. Also, your luck is turning. If you have, as I mentioned, that you were feeling stuck, this new moon spins the wheel in your favor, guys. But if you have resisted change, okay, the push may feel sudden. So yeah, take as it resonates. So in short, what's something that you're manifesting for yourself, and this new moon is like in love, if I have to say, unexpected shifts are there. A distant connection could enter, or an old karmic tie could finally close, okay, because it is obviously the completion as well as a new beginning or a new start. So new moons also says your love story is rewriting itself, so remember that. In terms of career and finances, this card is also telling me that a sudden opportunity or job offer or financial breakthrough may appear, okay, and you will not be knowing that as well, okay. But yes, destiny is opening a door for you, but you must be ready to act on it quickly, okay. In terms of spiritual growth, if I have to say, there are major awakening cycles or patterns repeating until you learn the lesson, then leveling up into new wisdom. As I said, you the moment you realize and you come into that, you disconnect with all these energies of new same repeated patterns, you will be shifting your energies, and that is actually going to happen. So there is this guidance for the new moon ritual I am getting: set intentions for flow or and not control. So instead of forcing, ask the universe to align you with divine timing. Okay, you can journal what cycles I'm ready to close, what unexpected blessings am I ready to receive. You can also do the candle ritual, like light a candle and say, I welcome destiny, luck and new beginnings into my life under this new moon. Okay, so yeah, this the wheel of fortune is also under a new moon, is the universe kind of a universe way of saying that your fate is turning. Trust the cycle, embrace the unexpected. How powerful reset is here right now for you. So do not get into that entanglements, because everything that you ever wanted and you worked upon is actually coming in very soon towards you, and it is divine's judgment and justice for you. And yes, definitely you will be very much celebrating. Okay guys, so let's see what guidance is there for you guys. Okay, the guidance for you from the guidance that I'm getting for you. What is the guidance for the collective on this new moon, for this new moon? What is the guidance? Okay, okay, and okay. See, the bottom of the deck has changed. Oh my god. Okay. So mind card, lovers card, and clinging to the past. So divine angels are saying that your theme is about change. So you have to change your mindset. You have to stop overthinking. You have to take very strict and rigorous action towards your overthinking, your negative patterns and negative healthy mind. You have to bring that negative patterns to the healthy mindset. Okay, divine angels are also saying that cut down the negative people or negative partners or anything. Try to manifest yourself, okay, before anyone, and try to love yourself, because the theme is all about self love, self love, self love. Do not ever go and see the other person. First see yourself, because this person will eventually make you feel drained, and that is not something that we want. Because if you do not change, the universe will make sure that you change. Okay, so yeah, stop clinging to the to the pattern. I'm so sorry. Divine angels are saying stop clinging to the pattern, to the past, and start being in the present. Do some breathing work, do some meditations, because bring yourself in the present moment right now, not in the future and not in the past, just here. Because the moment you start honoring yourself, you're honoring the change, you're actually becoming the highest, your amazing purest version, and it is going to help you, not this kind of excessive or lack kind of energy. So yes, that is your manifestations of new moon, and definitely you are getting a lot of immense love written in, okay, from the universe. And if you liked it, definitely do claim the energies guys by saying and commenting down. I welcome the amazing, beautiful, positive energies of the universe of this new moon. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Bye.